Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. Now I'm sure you guys have heard about Nashville hot chicken. That deep fried chicken, crispy, nice and spicy. But have you ever heard about smoked Nashville hot chicken? Well, today is your lucky day. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm starting with 5 large chicken breasts, and I'm gonna trim these up just a little bit, cut them down, and while I'm at it, just remove some of this fat. There we go, something real simple. And what I wanna do is cut these in half, okay? Kind of equal portions, if you will. Just like that. So I'm just trimming some of this fat that I don't want on my chicken breast. Just very little fat. Okay, so cut it in equal portions. All right, so I've got 10 pieces of chicken. Now I'm gonna lightly season these with a little bit of kosher salt and also a little bit of black pepper, just a light coating. I'm also going to add a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce just to get the seasoning to bind to our chicken breast, okay? You can add as little or as much as you'd like, but I want these nice and coated. All right, so this next ingredient is what's going to make this the Nashville hot chicken. It's a spicy Nashville honky tonk seasoning from PS Seasonings. I'm gonna give these a good coating. Look at this. Just give it a good coating. Now I tasted this out of the bottle. It's actually pretty spicy, so this is gonna be really good. Okay, just shake it on there really good. If you miss a spot, don't worry about it because we will be tossing these around here in a little bit. So this rub already has a good smoky aroma coming from it, so I know it's going to be excellent on this chicken. All right, so I've got all the chicken nicely coated, so I'm just going to toss them around, make sure I get all the bare spots, get them all filled up with that delicious rub. And this smells really spicy. Got my nose running over here. All right, so I'm just gonna place this chicken on this rack right here. Give him a little bit of space. Now this is obviously a healthier option to the traditional Nashville hot chicken, which is deep fried, okay? And coated in breadcrumbs. Now, nothing wrong with that. I'm sure that's delicious. But this is definitely a healthier option. All right, I've got my Yoder warming up outside at 250 degrees. We'll see you guys there. All right, so I've got my smoker running at 250 degrees. Just gonna open up the lid. So check out this beautiful color. I gotta tell you, that PS Seasonings, that Nashville hot, if it tastes as good as it smells, this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna be using a probe on one of these breasts right there, right in the middle. All right, so we're looking for 165 degrees. I'll bring you guys back in a bit. All right, so the total cook time has been 1 hour. Let's take a look at our Nashville hot chicken. The internal temperature right now is sitting at 133 degrees. So I'm just gonna spray this with a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter, just a butter spray. Now the butter's gonna help get the chicken nice and dark, get some color on that surface, as well as give it some good flavor. All right, look at them nice and shiny now. We're about 30 minutes from this being done. We'll see you guys inside. All right, so our smoked Nashville hot chicken is ready. And take a look at these bad boys. Nice and crispy on the edges, got that buttery goodness on the surface, and that Nashville hot seasoning from PS Seasonings. These smell absolutely delicious. Now traditionally, you want to eat your Nashville hot chicken with some white bread, and people say that it's got to be Wonder Bread. So I've got some Wonder Bread and I've got some pickles. So we're just going to keep this really simple. So I'm just going to grab one of these pieces of chicken, lay it across the white bread like that white Wonder Bread. Put a couple of pickles in here. My mouth is watering. Let's give it a try. All right, let's see how we did on our smoked Nashville hot chicken. Here we go. Holy smokes, this spicy Nashville honky tonk seasoning from PS Seasoning on this chicken is fantastic. Now I did use cherry pellets, and you can see some of that smoke ring around the chicken. This is absolutely delicious. Check out the links below so you can get yourself some of this spicy Nashville honky tonk seasoning from PS Seasoning. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. And if you have any questions, ask them down below. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.